Hey everyone, I'm Jilly with One Good Thing by Jilly, and today I'm showing you something that is basically going viral across the internet and across Pinterest. They're called hot chocolate bombs. You've probably heard of them, but they are really fun to make. At first, I was a little skeptical. I thought, oh, I don't know if I'd be interested in that. It seems like a lot of work. But once I gave it a try, I saw how fun and easy it was, not to mention how delicious they turned out. I knew I had to make some more and I wanted to teach you how to make them too. So once you see how fun and easy they are, you'll be won over like I was. And even better thing is they make a great gift for this time of year for those friends that we want to give a little something to. So let's get started. So pretty easy, right? It took me probably 15 to 20 minutes to put that together. If you want to make several at a time and streamline it, you can make a bunch more in just a little more time. And I am not kidding when I tell you how delicious it turns out. Oh, that is one of the most delicious hot cocos I've ever had. You'll notice I used hot chocolate mix in the ball or in the bomb. And I use my semi-homemade hot chocolate mix that is on the blog. If you're interested, it is a divine recipe. So easy to make and makes a lot for a big group. And you'll also notice that I used several different mix-ins, or I have them available. Caramel bites, mint chocolate, birthday cake, funfetti chips, Heath toffee chips, and of course mini marshmallows. This one's mint chocolate. I adore mint chocolate. And remember that if you want to give them as gifts, I left out the part about just decorating them, and it's as simple as getting some white chocolate, melting it, and drizzling it over the top with a spoon, and putting some cute sprinkles on top. Put it in a cellophane bag with a cute ribbon, and you have got a wonderful gift to tell someone how much you care about them. And don't forget to save some for yourself. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you'll give it a try and let us know how it goes. Mm. Mm, mm, mm.